Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna share my top 3 favorite Rubik's Cube scrambles, so let's get started. So the scramble which gets third position is JPump's improbable 5.31 second solve. I don't know that you liked that scramble or not, but for me the scramble was fantastic, and this is the scramble. So I'll show you the reconstruction. I know most of you have seen the reconstruction, but still I wanna show you. So the cross was done on red, but I will do on white. So all 3 pieces were already solved of cross and only this was left, so he inserted it just like this, and now the cross was solved. And in inspection he planned these 2 pieces and these 2 pieces. So he solved this and these 2 are set up, and he solved this. Then he paused and solved these 2, and then he recognized this. So he rotated and solved it just like this, and then he recognized the winter variation case, so he do a U prime and solved it and got an last layer skip and U in final for AUF. So my second favorite scramble is Timon's 3.32 second solve, which is his personal best time, and he got in his offline practice. So I like this scramble because of zeroing, and you can say there was a last layer skip or he used OLS, and this was the scramble. So let me show you the reconstruction. He did the cross on white, and first he inserted red, then green, and then did a divide move, and these were paired up, and then he rotated and solved blue white, solved orange and white, which was last cross piece. And instead of aligning the cross as if he aligns it, these will be breaked up. What he did was U, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, then align the cross. Now these are paired up and this was preserved. So first he inserted this in the back, then did a divide move, inserted this again in the back, inserted this here front, and then did a divide move again, U, and then solved these 2, and then he got a last layer skip and U in final for AUF. So my most favorite Rubik's Cube scramble is Bruno's 3.39 second solve. Actually, I saw this scramble and reconstruction in Cubehead's video, and really my reaction was
more like
So now let me show you the reconstruction. First he inserted red white, sorry, he didn't insert it, but he just aligns it here, and then solve green and orange and have a 2x2 block here, and then inserted red, and while he was solving blue he was keeping track of these 2 pieces, sorry, these 2, and then if we insert it just like this, it will be in the D layer, which is not good. So before inserting blue, what he did was U prime and now inserted it, and now align the cross, and he kept the track of these 2 and solved this. And instead of solving it just like this, Cubehead's friend was smart. He inserted it by applying a sledgehammer and got all edges oriented, and these 2 were set up. So he just inserted it, 3 move insert, and then got a last layer skip. Really I was shocked by this last layer. Only this was the last layer. And guys, these were my top 3 favorite Rubik's Cube scrambles, and you can share your favorite in the comment section below. And if you like mine, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and please guys help me reaching 100 subscribers by the end of 2020. So guys, this is for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.